Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, summation. Ang trabaho to kapag hindi nyo alam kung anong gagawin. This is called a summation formula from k equals to 1 to k equals to 6. Ibig sabihin lang yan, mag-a-add tayo. Anong i-add natin? Add natin, starting when k is equals to 1, papuntang k equals to 6. So, idea niyan, pag 2k plus 3, yung k equals to 1 ay magiging 2 times 1 plus 3. Then, 2 times 2 plus 3. Then, 2 times 3 plus 3. So, 2 times 4 plus 3, 2 times 5 plus 3, and 2 times 6 plus 3. Supposed to be add natin to lahat. Ang gagawa ko ito in 1 minute. Eh, paano pinalitan natin ng hindi 6? Paano pinalitan ng 100? Pakatapos ng exam and hindi ka pa tapos dyan. So, meron tayong parang tinatawag na summation formula na pwede natin ma-apply. But again, you have to understand how it works. So, ang strategy sa ganito, hihiwalin natin muna si 2k, hihiwalin natin si 3. We have to get the summation of 2k from k equals to 1 to 6 plus the summation of 3 from k equals to 1 to k equals to 6. So, ganito yung pwede natin gawin. Now, punta muna tayo dito sa pangalawa. Since 3 here is a constant, kaya makikita natin dito sa kanina, puro 3 lang sila. Sabihin lang yan, from k equals to 1 to 6, ilang beses tayo nag-add ng 3?
6.
Diba? 6. Kaya 6 times 3. Or in general, summation of k equals to 1 to n of constant c. That means this will be n times c. Okay, next. Paano naman summation of 2k? 2 is multiplied to k. 2 times k, 2 times k. Ulit-ulit din yan. Pasin mo dito. So what we can do with the 2 here, we can bring that out of the summation. Okay? Now, paano naman summation of k? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. From 1 to n. Paano natin makukuha yun? In general. Then that's like sum of arithmetic series. Let's say 1 plus n minus 1 plus n. Pansin natin, si 1 plus n is n plus 1. 2 plus n minus 1 is still
N
n
plus
plus 1. Same thing here. 3 saka n minus 2 is still n plus 1. Ilang n plus 1 meron tayo? From 1 to n. Every pair isang n plus 1. So that means kalahati. So we say n times n plus 1 all over 2 ang formula. Okay? So that tells us that from 1 to 6, this will be 2 times 6 times 6 plus 1 all over 2. So lowest term the 2. 6 times 6 plus 1, 6 times 7 is 42.
Okay.
Eh, sa kabila-bala kanina, this is 6 times 3, this is 18. So we add 42 plus the 18, that will give us 60. Kaya ang sagot natin ngayon is letter C. Okay?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung ufkat.